Welcome, military enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of powerful weaponry, the thermobaric rocket launcher. I'm your host, Truman, and we're about to explore the remarkable capabilities of this devastating weapon. A thermobaric weapon, also known as an aerosol bomb or vacuum bomb, operates in two stages. First, it disperses an aerosol cloud of gas, liquid, or powdered explosive. Then, a second charge ignites this cloud, creating a massive blast, flames, and a vacuum effect. Unlike conventional explosives, thermobaric weapons rely on atmospheric oxygen, making them highly effective in enclosed spaces like tunnels, buildings, and bunkers. The thermobaric rocket launcher is a handheld version of this devastating weapon. It releases a single rocket with a blast radius akin to a small car bomb. Upon impact, it disperses a highly flammable vapor cloud, engulfing the target area. Unlike traditional rocket launchers, this weapon can only hold one rocket at a time. Thermobaric weapons have been used in conflicts worldwide. Their ability to neutralize targets in enclosed spaces, such as caves, bunkers, and fortified positions, makes them invaluable. Recently, Russian military vehicles fitted with thermobaric rocket launchers were spotted near the Ukrainian border, raising concerns about their devastating impact. The thermobaric rocket launcher is a force to be reckoned with, a weapon that reshapes the battlefield. Its destructive power serves as a stark reminder of the ever-evolving nature of warfare.
Готов!
So, whether you're fascinated by military technology or concerned about its implications, understanding these weapons is crucial. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, this is Truman, signing off. Stay informed and stay safe.